sa post ko. Willing.
Miss Reg, sorry po.
Isipin ko, oh my gosh,
Sorry,
ang
Miss
hirap
Reg.
kaya.
Ika-traffic lang namin dito,
Thank
sorry.
you.
Pwede po ba kay ano? Ate Sandy, dito tayo. Sorry. Paki-share. Tara, Ate Sandy, share. Sorry po, nakiki-share lang na.
Parang mas maganda yung content.
Opo.
You mentioned Miss Reg earlier. Kinilig ka naman dun sa music video ni JM and Yang. And ikaw yung, it was your idea to get
Yes.
them. Why them specifically?
Kasi very bagay kay Fiang yung Little Mermaid. Kasi yung Little Mermaid parang 17 years old lang eh. Hindi ko alam ba't yun yung naisip ko na Little Mermaid. Because the song is about longing for love, longing to be part of whatever world. And I thought, siguro yun yung iniisip ni Little Mermaid. Parang yun yung feeling ko. Yun yung, kasi iba yung world niya eh, di ba? Taga-dagat siya eh, bilang siya isang isda. Parang naisip ko, it would be nice to have a young girl and a young boy na parang be part of my music video and tell a story about love and longing.
And you really like yung turnout naman, the outcome?
I love it. At magaling din kasi yung mga gumawa. Sorry, hindi ko na ma-mention kung sino yung mga gumawa. Pero isang buong production group sila. Ang galing, ang ganda yung mga effects, maganda.
Kilig.
Talagang pinaghirapan. Hindi, and actually all the videos that we came out with, hindi naman yun parang, ito na yun. Talagang pinag-iisipan namin bawat music video. Like the one of Yolo.
Yeah.
Yung, even the one with yung mga pictures lang or nag-shoot pa kami sa isang lugar na hindi naman normally nag-shoot doon but we asked permission. So we were able to do it.
Did you,
So, yeah.
did you like tell them anything after nung makita mo na yung final outcome?
I told them that I'm very happy with it. Kasi ako usually nag-approve eh. So, pero kung meron akong hindi masyadong type, I tell them, can you make it like this? Can you make it like that? And they're very happy to accommodate whatever it is that I asked for because music video ko naman. So, I'm just very happy with Fiang and JM. And I'm very thankful to Star for giving me this music video kasi talagang gusto ko talaga to. Matagal ko nang gusto na hindi ako part ng music video, na hindi ko nakikita yung pagbumukha ko sa music video. And I'm so happy that Star did it for me.
Thank you, Miss Reg.
Miss Reg, pag nakakita ka ng mga ganito, no? Parang,
Mamamatay ba ako?
Ay,
pag
hindi
ano?
naman. Iikot yung ulo niya, para gano'n. Ayan, tatapat ko sa akin. Ayan, pero pag nakita ka ng mga young love, young creatives, how does that make you feel as, of course, an icon in the industry?
Actually, alam mo, ang dami ko nakikita gano'n. The people that I work with now are all young people.
Uh-huh.
Like, even doing a commercial, they're all young people.
Oh, actually.
And minsan mahihiya ka kasi parang, oh my gosh, ang babata nitong mga to. Tapos parang, Miss Reg. Yung natatawa na lang ako. Pero, again, I feel very blessed na inabot ko pa yun. Can you imagine? Na
Because you're
inabot ko pa yun.
timeless. Actually, I think that's the thing. You're timeless.
Really ba?
Yeah.
No, but I just feel very blessed. And a lot of times I would feel overwhelmed. Especially pag kayong kaharap mo, ka-meeting mo, puro bata. And they're telling you na, oh, this is what we're going to do. Are you comfortable doing this? They would always naman ask me. And ako talaga, okay. And syempre, the ideas are different. It's so fresh. It's totally not in my radar anymore because my ideas are different from theirs na. So, but I'm very proud that I still get to work with these young people.
So, very collaborative kayo kahit sa Gen Z, millennials.
Oo.
That's
Hindi,
nice.
They're also very open. The people that I work with, I'm happy that they're also very open to work with someone like me who's been in the industry for a long time. And I like that they give me the respect to at least ask me if you're comfortable. Yung mga ganun ba? And it's wonderful. Again, it's a blessing.
May boundaries kasi pag kids, di ba? Ano sila, ma-boundaries. Okay ka lang po ba dito?
Okay nga eh. So nakakatuwa naman.
But of course, dito sa Reset, I was stating, I'm so sorry. Pero why is it Reset?
reset because we thought, it's the new year. A lot of people want to reset their lives. Kung ano yung mga, especially yung mga hindi masyadong naka-experience sa magagandang moments last year.
Oo.
Di ba yun naman ang ano
Oo.
natin, as a human being, we
Pause,
can
oo.
always reset. We can pause and then reset. But as far as me is concerned, as far as the show is concerned, it's really just about me singing the old songs and resetting it in this moment now. Kasi syempre, a lot of these songs, especially yung mga originals, I sang them like 20 years ago. So I'm excited to know how I would interpret those songs. Kasi marami din akong mga kantang kakantahin na never naging single. So, ibig sabihin, isang beses ko lang talaga kinanta nung
Correct,
record
correct.
ko lang.
Wow.
So, I'm excited.
Such
I'm
as,
excited.
ano po yun?
Oh my gosh, Know It. I don't know if anyone knows it, but it's called Know It. Written by Tats Faustino. It was in my first album.
Oh,
And when I was listening to it, my voice was so young. Yung talagang batang-bata, so innocent. Oh my gosh.
So,
So I
talaga-
want to know how I'm going to interpret it now.
grabe yun, hardcore, Reginians, talagang will have a field day.
Sana,
Di ba kasi
sana.
from the first album,
From
di
the
ba?
first album. Oo.
Para sa kanila rin talaga.
Ako
to,
rin
para
excited
natin.
ako. Kasi ako din, iba pa yung Regine na nag-record no, nung bata ako.
Oo.
Iba na yung Regine
Ngayon.
ngayon. Siyempre, we evolve constantly. So gusto ko malaman ano yung magiging sound, ano yung kahihinatnan ng
Nakakatuwa.
mga kanta na to. Nakakatuwa.
That's awesome. And dito po ba, tawag nyo rito, kumbaga sa concert nyo ba, of course, Paolo has been directing. Tama po ba the past?
Yes, yes.
Ano yung parang mga, when you were starting, like, collaborating with Paolo, yung parang, yung mga, oo nga, wait, sorry po, yung mga bagong technology sa concerts, meron po ba tayong maaabangan?
Meron, the stage is different.
Aha.
The stage is, when I saw it, when my sister showed it to me, I'm excited about it. I cannot tell you, syempre, kasi
Oo.
surprise, but it's pretty exciting. Kasi di ba yung mga concert naman ngayon, kasama na yung visuals.
Correct.
eh.
Oh, it's the whole
So,
shebang.
it's the whole shebang na talaga. So, abangan nyo yun.
Actually, before po kasi, di ba, we would really, yung kayo sa Araneta, bubuhatin. Pero ngayon, kasama na yung mga LED, di ba?
Kasama na yun.
With my
kasama
tech
na sila.
involved.
Yes.
I
yes.
love it.
And natutuwa din ako kasi when we told Direk Paolo na what we're thinking of, kasi doing nga yung mga songs na ni-record ko, sobra siyang na-excite kasi lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin, can you sing, like pag magko-concert kami, can you sing this song? You recorded this, can you sing your songs? Lagi siyang may ganon. What about your songs? Gaganon siya
Nakakatuwa.
lagi. So it's wonderful that we're finally doing a concert na it's just all my songs.
I love
so
it.
it's excited about it. At saka yung mga songs na hindi masyadong na-promote, hindi ko masyadong kinanta.
Wait, Miss Reg, sorry. Nakita ko once sa isang game, nanood kayo. UAP ba yun nila, Nate? Tapos yun, sobrang binata na niya, na-shock ako. Ibang level.
Iba na.
Oo.
Or officially a teenager.
Wait lang, excuse me po. Sorry. Excuse me, miss. Huwag mo nang gagawin.
Wait muna.
Yeah. May taxi yata. Ay, mabilis lang po ito.
Tapos
Ay,
na po.
sorry, Miss Reg. I'm so sorry about that. Yun nga po, nagulat kami si Nate. Binatang-binata. May girlfriend na ba siya?
Wala pa naman. Baby pa
Papayag
rin
ka?
naman siya.
Papayag ka?
Wala naman akong choice.
Ay, cool mom. Cool mom. Sabi mo kasi kanina mamalo ka eh. Kaya sabi ko,
Namalo ako nung bata siya.
Okay.
Siyempre, pero ngayon, whatever he wants to do with his life, I always say, di ba, as a parent, we have a tendency to dream for our children. Di ba ganun tayo? Parang,
Correct.
my dream is for you to become like that. That's not actually our role. Our dream is our role is to support. The dreaming comes from them.
What's his dream now? Sa mga narinig mo, anong press release niya sa'yo? Kasi di ba
He's
pag...
he's very intellectual.
Oh,
Malayo sa career path naming mag-asawa. But he still loves to sing. Pero it's really, yung mga gusto niya malayo sa mga ginagawa namin.
talaga?
Very intellectual. He loves to read. to research.
I love it.
Ganyan siya.
Ano pa, doktor ba ito? Ganon?
Hindi ko nga alam eh, parang economist. I
Oh,
don't
wow,
know.
I love
or
it.
baka maging astronaut, hindi ko alam. Hindi ako sure. Pero whatever he wants to do with his life, I will just support. Of course,
High school na po ba siya? Or junior?
parang high school na, kasi 7th grade.
Ay, oo,
Di ba sa
ba
amin?
high school na, pre?
First year high school na.
Oh my gosh, ang bilis ng panahon. We watched him grow with you.
Yes, you
with
did.
your songs, di ba?
You did. And in my Instagram, kasi di ba I like sharing him, pero if you notice nowadays, I don't anymore. Because I
Ayaw
also
niya.
wanna give him his privacy.
Kasi Gen Alpha siya, tama ba?
Hindi ko alam. Ano nga ba siya?
Gen Alpha
ba
siya. So ano, yun nga, di ba ma-boundaries din ba siya? Like, mom, ganyan.
Hindi naman. If I ask him, he'll do it for me.
Oh, wow.
Because I don't ask him so many things. But he asks me
galing.
for so many things.
Ay, gusto
So
ko
I
yan.
always, okay mommy. Mabait siya eh.
Oh, mabait na bata. So pinapayagan mo siya pag wala baka overnight, ano?
Yeah, nagpa-party mag-isa.
I love
Kasi
it.
my friends and I are going to ganyan-ganyan. Or my cousins, kasi barkada niya rin yung cousins
Ay,
niya.
saya.
My cousins and I are going to ganyan. Okay, sige, go. Pero nagpapaalam, that's what I like. Yung nagpapaalam
Oo, correct.
siya. Hindi lang niya ginagawa yung decision by himself. Hindi. Papaalam siya sa akin, papaalam siya kay dad. Very respectful.
Never kayo naging helicopter parents, no? Ni Ogie, kaya naging ganyan siya.
Meron din akong tendency to be
Ay,
a helicopter mom. Parang I think because you want for them to be safe and you want for them to have a good life and good experiences. And that's, I think, normal. But you also need, as a mother, you also need to realize that they're not gonna be able to learn if you hover all the time. Na-realize ko yun when he was about mga 5 years old. Kasi whenever he would ask me, Mommy, can you play with me? I'm there. I'm there right away. Trying to create scenarios, gagawa pa akong bahay-bahayan. Lahat. I would always be there. Mommy, can you play with me? Laro ako ng airport, lahat. And then I realized that he was about to be 6 years old. Sabi ko, di ba you have toys? You play. Kasi mommy is doing so many things right now. Hindi ka pwedeng laging nandun kasi yung creativity nila, hindi din nila magagamit. Tayo ba? Nilaro ba tayo ng mga... Ako nilaro ako ng nanay ko nung ako pa lang mag-isa. Pero nung nagkaroon ako ng kapatid, she couldn't anymore. So, I let her. So, that way kasi, yung play nila magiging iba, yung creativity nila, yung pagde-daydream nila, kasama yun eh. Sa growth nila, experience yun eh. And don't be afraid when your children would say, Mommy, I'm bored. I used to get so afraid when he says, I'm bored. Nagpapanik na ako. Oh, what activity can we do? No, don't panic.
Let them be bored.
Let them be bored. Because again, their creativity will come out. So pag nagsasabi siya sa akin, I'm so bored, okay, then be bored.
Ang galing, ang cool mom. Cool.
Hindi nga ako cool, mom, pero ngayon ko na lang din nare-realize yan. Pero meron akong point in my life na I did that too. I hover.
I love
and
it.
to tell you frankly, I'm not even sure if I'm doing the right job. Kasi bilang nanay, you always question yourself eh. And you wouldn't know if you're doing the right job or not. Because, we're human beings. We just do our best.
I love it.
We just do our best. Diba? Wala talagang right or wrong. Hindi mo malalaman kasi we just really do our best.
Miss Reg, na-apektuhan po ba kayo kapag binabash si Mr. Ogie Alcacel?
Siyempre,
Kasi di ba last time nag-post siya ng mga post sa
Yeah.
social.
actually bago niya yun pinost, pinabasa muna niya yun sa akin. Naiinis ako pagka yung sinasabi niya yun sa sarili niya na never naman ako sumikat, never naman. Sabi ko, what are you talking about?
Bakit siya naging ganun?
Kasi ganun siya. Sometimes he
But
thinks that way.
He's the songwriter. He is the
kaya
Ogie.
I don't understand where that is coming from.
But
we
he's
get-
human.
He's human being, and as we get older, we get more insecure.
Oo.
That's what it is. Ganun yun eh. I
The
was never
reality.
insecure in my, in my younger years. Never insecure. But now, I'm so insecure with everything. Because that's the way it is. Kaya kayong mga bata, try nyo wag munang ma-insecure habang bata kayo. Kasi pag tumanda kayo, oh my gosh, yung mga hindi mo nararamdaman before, nararamdaman mo na ngayon. So,
Talaga?
I don't like it when he said, yung minamaliit niya yung sarili niya.
Oo,
yung maliit na nga
yeah.
siya.
Grabe ka naman. Roasting pala ito. May roasting pala.
Ayoko yung minamaliit niya yung sarili niya. Yung bang pinapaliit niya yung mga accomplishments niya. Sabi ko, what are you
Grabe
talking
yung,
about?
oo.
Kasi ako sa akin parang ang laki-laki lahat nun.
Oo.
Being able to write songs like Kailangan Kita, Kailangan Ko
Oo.
Ikaw, Pangako. You know, ang dami niyang na-achieve as a songwriter and as a singer. Ang dami niyang hit songs.
Oo.
Mas marami pelikula nun sa akin
Oo naman. Yes, opo. Ano naman ang po.
Oo.
Pero, I mean, powerhouse couple kayo. It's just bizarre. But thank you for being so casual about it. But that's the reality. What's your check-in balance?
Yung check and balance.
Yung parang tinuturo yung sarili nyo na, tekla, ano sinasabi mo? Pagkasabi mo.
We try to uplift each other. When one is down, the other one will try to. Dapat ganun naman ang role mo to each other. Kasi hindi lang kayo married couple, you're partners kayo in life. So you have to be able to do that to your partner na kung yung ibang tao nga na-inspire mo, yung partner mo hindi.
Correct.
Siyempre. So, ako ang role ko talagang to uplift his spirit when he's down. And tsaka kasi hindi naman mahirap gawin yun dahil marami siyang accomplishments. Sabi ko, what are you talking about? Are you kidding me? These are the things that you did. Diba?
At ang dami nyo natulungan.
ang dami mong
Dami
natulungan.
na
At saka siya napakasipag na. Napakasipag.
Grabe, nagdi-daily, nag-show pa.
Napakasipag.
7 days a week.
Hindi niya kailangan
That's
gawin yun
one
eh.
thing that talagang hindi ko maano sa asawa ko. Doon ka ng sipag talaga. Kasi ako, feeling ko tamad na nga ako. Siya ang sipag talaga. Hindi ayaw niya yung wala siyang ginagawa. He's really masipag and so passionate with his music and the songs that he creates. He's very passionate. I love it. I love it.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you, Miss
Ms. Reg.
Reg. Thank you, Miss Reg.
Miss Reg,